This is activity 5.1, translating coordinates. And in this activity, you are asked to identify which of 4 translations move triangle T to triangle U. So these points are going to be translated, they're going to be moved. And which ones move to their corresponding points in triangle U? Actually, 2 of the translations are correct. They do move from a corresponding point in triangle T to a corresponding point in triangle U. One of them is incorrect in that it does move from one point to its corresponding point, but it moves from U to T, so that one would be incorrect. And the last one, which is also incorrect, moves a point to within a triangle, not to a corresponding point, but just another point within that same triangle. So that's not a translation that moves T to U. So here are the correct answers. The first one down here at the bottom, -4, -3. So point -4, -3 is translated to point 0, -1. That is a correct translation that moves T to U, because this is a corresponding point here that corresponds to this point right here, 0, -1. So this one's correct. The other one that's correct is the pink one up here. So you're moving from point -3, 0 to point 1, 2 up here. And those 2 points do correspond to each other. This point right here corresponds to this point right here. So you are moving triangle T to triangle U. The one that translates in the opposite direction is the blue. So they're translating this point 2, 1 to this point here, -2, -1. Well, that's moving U to T. Even though it's a corresponding point, this is in the same position on the triangle, so it corresponds. It's moving the triangle in the wrong direction. And the last one is this green one here. It's moving from point 1, 2 to point 2, 1. Well, those are actually 2 points within the same triangle. They do not correspond to each other, so they're not moving triangle T to triangle U. They're just translating one point to another point. So this is activity 5.1, translating coordinates.